This video was researched by Mactunu Brian, CEO of the Luo Online. Milton Obote was of the Lango ethnic group. The Lango people are one of the ethnic groups in Uganda, primarily residing in the northern.
Milton Obote was a prominent political figure in Ugandan history. Here's a brief biography of his life. Early life and education *. Milton Obote was born on December 28, 1925, in the Lango region of northern Uganda. He received his education in Uganda and later studied at the University of Oxford in the United Kingdom. Political career *. Obote's political career began in the 1950s when he became involved in the Uganda National Congress, UNC, a political party that played a role in the country's struggle for independence from British colonial rule. He became the leader of the UNC and later the Uganda People's Congress, UPC, a political party he co-founded. Independence and early leadership *. Obote played a significant role in the negotiations leading to Uganda's independence from the United Kingdom in 1962. After independence, he became Uganda's first prime minister. Presidency and turbulent times *. Obote became president of Uganda in 1966, following a controversial suspension of the constitution. His time in office was marked by political turmoil and conflicts, including disputes with other political leaders, ethnic tensions, and violence. In 1971, Obote was overthrown in a military coup led by Idi Amin, which marked the end of his first presidency. Return to power *. Obote went into exile, but later returned to Uganda in 1980 after the overthrow of Idi Amin. He won the presidential election in 1980 and returned to power. Second presidency *. His second presidency was marked by political instability and human rights abuses. He was eventually ousted in another coup in 1985. Later years and death *. Obote spent his later years in exile in Zambia and later in Kenya. He remained involved in Ugandan politics from abroad but was unable to return to power. He passed away on October 10, 2005, in Johannesburg, South Africa. Milton Obote's political career was marked by significant achievements, including his role in Uganda's independence, but it was also characterized by political controversies and turmoil during his presidencies. His legacy in Uganda is complex and continues to be a subject of debate and discussion.
Milton Obote was a prominent Ugandan political leader who served as the Prime Minister and later as the President of Uganda. His achievements and contributions include 1. Independence leader. Obote played a significant role in Uganda's struggle for independence from British colonial rule. He was a key figure in the negotiations leading to Uganda's independence in 1962. 2. First Prime Minister after independence. Obote became Uganda's first Prime Minister. His leadership during this period marked a crucial phase in the early post-independence history of the country. 3. Consolidation of power. Obote worked to consolidate power in Uganda, which included efforts to unite various ethnic and regional groups in the country. 4. Promotion of education and healthcare. His government made efforts to expand education and healthcare services in Uganda. 5. Nationalization of key industries. Obote's government implemented policies to nationalize various industries, including banking and transportation, with the aim of reducing foreign control over the economy. 6. African unity. He was an advocate for African unity and was involved in the formation of the Organization of African Unity AU, now known as the African Union. However, it's important to note that Obote's time in office was also marked by political turmoil, including disputes and conflicts with other political leaders. He was accused of human rights abuses during his rule, and his second term as president was particularly turbulent, leading to his overthrow in a military coup. Obote's legacy is complex, with both positive and negative aspects, and opinions on his achievements vary depending on one's perspective.